Hi there. Something fascinating has been happening on my YouTube channel. For the past few weeks, I have been posting 2 videos each and every day. And of course, original videos which I have created myself, and of course, also videos which add value to people's lives. And by doing so, I've realized a couple of things with regards to YouTube when it comes to wanting to gain subscribers, when it comes to wanting to get many views, when it comes to wanting to gain traction, which is going to assist you grow. That's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 key things, lessons, and also results I've seen on YouTube as a result of posting at least 2 videos each and every day for the past few weeks. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifunam. You might be wondering, why was I posting 2 videos each and every day? So let me give you some backstory. I began my YouTube channel journey about a few years ago. In fact, I've been on YouTube I think from 2020 when I started posting periodically, but I wasn't really taking it that seriously. And of course, I was posting maybe like once in a month. Sometimes I go 2 months without post another random video. And then in 2021, I decided to do something quite unique. I tried at least to up that tempo. And actually I realized, by the way, a video can just take off and assist propel your channel. Even though at that particular point in time, it wasn't really the direction I wanted my channel to go. Because over the years, I've always desired for my channel to be about personal finance and also self-development or productivity. That's why I decided a few weeks ago to take it upon myself, to challenge myself to ensure I scale content as much as possible and also see what it could result to. And by that I did that because I understand there are those kind of spaces out there or kind of niche out there which don't really attract many views. To give you an example, in case someone is making, for example, videos about gossip, about news, about what's trending, they're going to be able to rake in views as long as they ensure they are punctual and also they have good quality, right? But there's some other fields that are more specialized. For example, videos around technology, around finance, okay, around creativity and stuff like that. These are more audience focused, you know. And of course, the growth in this front is kind of slow. That's why I decided to kind of like bump up my production to see how YouTube responds and also what I'm going to learn I was going to learn in the process. And by doing so, I learned these 5 things. The very first thing is that consistency is key. Yes, consistency is key. I mean, you need to be posting videos regularly and of course at regular intervals for YouTube to understand what your channel is about. And I'm saying so because most people out here start a YouTube channel, for example, and then just 1 month in, they give up because they think YouTube doesn't understand what they are all about. Actually, YouTube is trying their best to understand. It's only that you're not feeding it with sufficient content for it to start making some decisions based on what your content is. And that's why on average out here, most creators are going to tell you it's going to take them about creating 50 videos, high quality videos, and even being on YouTube for almost 6 months for them to start seeing any traction. And the good thing is that as long as one of the videos starts taking off and you're still at working trajectory, chances are you're going to see your views continue to increase and increase and increase. And by the way, you need to understand one thing. Most of the times it is determination which makes you start something, but sadly it is habit which keeps you going. Most people out here have determination. Of course they started, but because they're not patient, they give up, and of course they haven't developed a habit, so they can't continue ramping up their creativity and putting out there more and more videos. Understand consistency is key, and consistency is what is going to increase your chances of at least your videos being visible out there to many more people. And of course, YouTube is going to have many more videos to push to people out there if you are making more and more videos regularly, right? And then the second thing I learned is that also YouTube needs videos to be able to share with you more custom analytics. And I'm saying so because after bumping up videos on my YouTube channel, at least 2 videos each and every day for over 3 weeks, I've seen some interesting matrices out there. Like for example, which topics are standing out among the videos I've posted, right? Like for example, what time does my audience most of the times like to watch videos that I'm posting on YouTube, okay? Matrices like for example, which other channels or which other videos out there are my audience is going to watch after watching my video. And of course, this tells me, for example, it's either my videos have some deficiency or they just like in general content around a particular space. And based on these, I can be able to at least niche down further and further with regards to which kind of content on my channel I need to bump up on more and more. And by the way, one can only do that, for example, by putting out their videos regularly. We're talking about, for example, a video a day or even 3 videos at minimum a week. That way, YouTube is going to understand that you are posting regularly and even share with you more refined analytics, which you can use to deduce some of the key goals for your channel. And related to that, the third thing which I've learned on YouTube also by posting regularly is that audience plays a big role in directing the direction of your videos. What do I mean? I'm saying so because over time you're going to realize the people are commenting on your videos is actually the way they feel and what they want. In fact, someone can even tell you, for example, kindly make a video on this topic, right? In case you post a video and then you see someone, for example, or even 3 people telling you to make a video on a given topic, it means people are out there yearning to get additional kind of knowledge which they are lacking. And they may just be sharing with you some insight on how you can niche down to provide more value and in fact reach more people out there because they're not able to get this kind of value anywhere else. So by you posting regularly, you're going to be putting yourself out there so that you can get more comments, get more engagements, and hopefully your audience is going to share more insights with you with regards to what else you need to feed them for them to be able to get satisfied by the value you're giving to them, right? And then the fourth thing I have learned by posting regularly is that it's going to assist you develop a solid habit. To tell you the truth, working on even a single YouTube video is not easy. And actually I'm saying so because it's going to take you time, for example, to script, right? It's going to take you time, for example, to think about a storyline. It's going to take time, for example, to think about your editing and so forth. But this has actually assisted me be able to be clear with regards to how I am consistent, how I'm forming a habit in regards to how I'm working on my videos. And of course, having a target with regards to how many videos you're working on, for example, in a day, in 2 days, in a week, in a month, and so forth, is going to assist you know how to actually optimize on your time. To tell you an example, there are creators out here, for example, who take even a week or 2 weeks to edit a single video. Yes, they are working very hard to make their video at least stand out, but it's a sad reality we're playing there because YouTube is a game of numbers. In case you only have one video, someone else have 100 videos, this person with 100 videos has better chance of blowing up compared to someone with 1 video. So you may find yourself working very hard on a single videos, spending a lot of time editing them, and yet your competition is working out there at a faster rate, bumping out there more and more videos. And of course, your competition is going to blow up faster than you can do. Reason being, your competition is giving YouTube algorithm more and more to feed on, and in fact, enhancing the chances of a video or 2 of theirs taking off. So ensure you post regularly for you to be able to form a habit which is actually unique to you and even assisting you enhance efficiency with regards to your channel, right? And then the fifth key thing I learned about posting regularly is that it assists you be on your toes. What do I mean? The more you give out there, the more you learn, and also the more you grow. It's as simple as that. There are people out there, for example, who are holding on to videos, holding on to ideas because they think this is a very good idea, I don't need to put it right now. I'll put it later, maybe a few months later. But the thing is this, you are holding on to an idea, what it's going to give you is that a false sense of you having stock of knowledge or even having stock of more videos, which you can relax and in fact, don't do any further research because you have a very staggered kind of posting schedule and even you planning to post videos 3 months from now. Do this. When you're starting out, create, post. Even if you think it's very valuable, you should have held it for some time, you create and post. Create and post. And the good thing is that once you form a habit, you'll never lack. You're going to be finding opportunities on what else to create on and in fact, give people out there more and more awesome value. So ensure you give out more for you to be able to create room, for you to absorb more and in fact, continue learning, continue growing, and then hopefully over time, at least a few of your videos are going to take off and you're going to be able to get more subscribers, get more views, and even get to a point whereby you could even become a full-time YouTuber. What do you think? Is there another lesson, for example, you've learned from posting regularly, which I haven't shared? If there's any, drop a comment down below in the comment section.